haircut? Oh, Rumble. And today, I'm gonna be trying out Mr. Grimace. Mr. Grimace. And I also think they drink some of it. Let's try it out. Oh, it smells like Hubba Bubba. It smells real good. Let's try it out. And hence purple. That is good. That's real good. They finally have it in Australia. Get the Grimace shake, guys. If your mom or dad says no, we're not going to McDonald's. Say, I want the Grimace shake. Give me the Grimace shake. Get it? Smells like Hubba Bubba. Get it right now.